a tree that can cure diabetes, cancer, and tuberculosis. What an incredible tree this is. Introducing Kamatsili, Pittis Sillupium dulce, from Pabasii family. It is also known as Manila tamarind in English, Costino in Spanish, Neotido in Chinese, and Tamarindero de Manila in Portuguese. The generic name is derived from the Greek word pitikos, meaning ape or monkey, and illuvium, meaning a ring, which refers to the coiled shape of the fruit pods. It is a medium-sized tree attaining a height of 18 meters and a diameter of 50 to 60 centimeters at maturity. It is distributed throughout the Philippines in many areas and provinces. It is common at low and medium altitudes. It was introduced from Mexico. It is now thoroughly naturalized in the Philippines, where it abounds near the lakeshore and inland in settled areas and ways. It can easily be propagated from seeds. The dye extract from the bark is used to color leather products and handloom fabrics. The abundance of kamatsili has led to the establishment of some tanneries in the country. Pitysilubium dulce has been utilized by unticated individuals to treat various ailments due to its restorative properties. The bark and pulp, being astringent and hemostatic, are used to treat gum ailments, toothache, and bleeding. Bark extracts are used for chronic diarrhea, dysentery, constipation, and tuberculosis. Extract of leaves is employed as a remedy for indigestion to prevent spontaneous abortion and gallbladder ailments and to treat both open and closed wounds. Ground seed is used for treating ulcers. Studies also show that it might help in curing diabetes, inflammation, cancer, tuberculosis, venereal diseases, bilious disorders, fever, cold, sore throat, malaria, skin pigmentation, acne and pimples, dark spots, conjunctivitis, irritable bowel syndrome, pain, eczema, panophthalmitis, and leprosy. Studies have evaluated its antioxidant, anti-hyperlipidemic, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. To thank you and God bless.